welcome to Hymas Family Favorites. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make browned butter with mizithra cheese spaghetti. If you've ever eaten at the old spaghetti factory, you know that browned butter with mizithra cheese is one of their most popular dishes. My kids love it, and buttered noodles is always a popular choice for kids. This recipe kicks that up a notch and really makes a delicious, fast, and easy dinner. Let's get started. So to make your browned butter, all you're going to do is take 1 cube of butter. I find that a cube of butter feeds about 4 people. If you're going to have more than that, then just grab 2. We're going to put that on the stove and just let that butter caramelize. I'll show you how. Okay, I put our butter on the stove on medium to medium-high heat to melt. You can see that it's starting to boil and fizzle. And we're going to cook our butter, stirring constantly so that it won't burn, until our butter turns brown and you begin to smell that amazing caramel smell. It only takes a couple of minutes. Okay, now our butter is just starting to turn that caramely brown. I'm going to give it a little bit longer, but we're about there. Okay, now our butter is browned. And you can leave it as is. I like to strain it and kind of get some of the solid bits that settle to the bottom of the butter out. Then we're going to take some of our pasta. This is fresh pasta, but you can also use packaged pasta. And we're going to pour a little bit of this butter over the top. And then we're going to top it with some freshly grated mizithra cheese, which I just get at my local grocery store. And there you have it. Hope you enjoy. For more delicious recipes, check out our website at hymasfamilyfavorites.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss another recipe.